InfobitesKids.
Have you ever wondered what's deep inside our planet Earth? Even though it looks solid, Earth is actually made up of different layers, one inside another, just like an onion. These layers are crust, mantle, outer core and inner core. Let's dig in and explore what each layer is made of. Crust, our home layer. The crust is the outermost layer of the Earth, and it's where we live. It's made of solid rocks, mountains, and oceans. The crust is quite thin, only about 5 to 70 kilometers thick, depending on where you are. The lithosphere is the hard outer shell that includes this crust and a small part of the upper mantle below it. It's broken into giant puzzle pieces called tectonic plates. And when they move, they cause earthquakes and volcanoes. Mantle, the gooey middle. Below the crust is the mantle, the thickest layer of Earth. It's made of hot, semi-melted rocks that move slowly, like thick porridge. This layer is about 2,900 kilometers thick, and temperatures here range from 1,000 degrees Celsius to 3,700 degrees Celsius. The mantle's movement helps the tectonic plates above it drift slowly. Outer core, the liquid metal layer. Next comes the outer core, made of liquid iron and nickel. It's about 2,200 kilometers thick and super hot, between 4,000 degrees Celsius and 6,000 degrees Celsius. The swirling metals here create Earth's magnetic field, which helps your compass point north. Inner core, the solid heart. At the very center is the inner core, a solid ball made of iron and nickel. It's about 1,200 kilometers thick. Even though it's as hot as the sun's surface, around 7,000 degrees Celsius, it stays solid because of the enormous pressure around it. You did it! Now you know all about the layers of the Earth, and that makes you extra awesome. Don't forget to subscribe and come back to InfobitesKids, where learning never stops. Until next time, stay curious.